as of 11 a.m. November 23, 2025, may weather advisory number 14 para sa shear line at low pressure area. Ito ang ulan na dapat bantayan per day. Today hanggang bukas ng tanghali, Nov 23 to Nov 24. Ngayong araw hanggang bukas ng tanghali, dalawang system ang nagpapalakas ng ulan. Shear line, Cagayan at Isabela, possible 50 to 100 mm na ulan. LPA, Eastern Samar, posibleng 100 to 200 mm. Ito ang pinakamabigat ngayon. Albay, Sorsogon, bukas ng tanghali hanggang Tuesday, Nov 24 noon to Nov 25 noon. Shear line, mas maraming lugar ang tatamaan ng 50-100 mm na ulan. Cagayan, Isabela, Apayao, Kalinga, Aurora at Quezon. LPA, Southern Leyte, Leyte, Cebu, Bohol, Negros Occidental, Capiz at Dinagat Islands, possible 100-200 mm. Tuesday noon hanggang Wednesday noon, Nov 25 noon to Nov 26 noon. Shear line, pinakamatinding phase, Isabela, Aurora at Quezon, possible 100-200 mm. Cagayan, Apayao, Kalinga, Mountain Province, Ifugao at Bulacan, nasa 50-100 mm. LPA, malalakas din. Aklan, Palawan, Antique at parehong Mindoro, posibleng 100-200 mm.